This is just a quick Marshalls run through. I did find some good stuff, so if you haven't seen that try on haul, it's just a quick pickup of some other summer items. But I did notice a lot of stuff on clearance, hair care, face care. Nothing that I needed, but definitely like looking at the prices, especially in the hair care section. Living Proof is a great brand. That wasn't on clearance though. And then there was this castor oil, which I already have some, but in case you were curious about it. And then I seen Monday, which I got a little sample from Walmart, which this is the full size and not bad. So if I do like it, I know where to find it. More castor oil and more hair care. I really liked finding that they had the Shea Moisture because it's super expensive at like CVS or Walgreens, even with a coupon. So that's good. And then I just walked around looking at the makeup section and just seeing what else they had. Okay, this is one, the Sika pear that I got a tiny sample from Dr. Jart. Nice. And then I seen something that I use quite often, and I actually don't have any, is Thayer's. This witch hazel toner is awesome, and this one is coconut. And then they have lemon, all great ones. I like the rose and the original. That one was cucumber. Then they had this hydrating duo kit. It just looked expensive, right? Like, good stuff. And simple eye makeup remover. I actually have some of this and it works really well. So $3.99, good deal. Never tried this, but it looks really cool. I like the purple, of course. And more skincare. More skincare. I mean, they just had so many things that I haven't really seen at this particular Marshalls. So, like, look, Clinique, seriously? And then we went over to the perfume section. This quartz really smelled yum. Like, very light, very floral, but not too excessive. And more perfumes. More gift ideas. So if you wanted to stock up like for the summer, looking for those Christmas gifts, sure. More clearance. I normally get like Epsom salts or SPF here, but I have plenty. So that's pretty much it. I just kept walking around, and like I said, I did grab a few items for myself. No makeup, some clothes that you won't see in this video, but in another video for sure. Thank you guys so much for coming. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this, let me know. And if you're new here, thanks for coming by. I like to show some of the stuff that I encounter. You know, this is my local Marshalls. And I do come here often, but not as often as I need to. So seeing these Morphe palettes was like, oh my gosh, wow. But anyway, thanks so much, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you in the next video, and thanks.